Hi everyone, welcome. We build a clone of PayPlus earning app where users can complete the task and watch the ads and earn reward. Here is PayPlus v2 underscore bot. We will open the app and show you how this app works. Here is the watch ad button where you can click and watch ads like this. There will be two types of ads, one from the money tag and the other tag from the adsgram. And here is the task section where user have to complete the all task and also verify a wallet. Here is the invite section where you can copy the link. Okay, now the link is visible. You can see the referral link, and here you will get your users invited, and we can also see the tasks here. And our wallet is verified, we connected, and here is the withdraw section where users can get withdraw with tone or USDT and have to verify the wallet, and it will become here automatically. And when the users have minimum $20 balance, they can submit the request. And this app have admin dashboard where we can see all users, how much total balance, the user IDs, and here is the task section. We can add and delete the tasks. Here is the user section, and here is the withdraw section where we can see the all request and pending, process, complete, reject, all kind of payment request will be here. So this Telegram mini app where user can watch ads and earn reward, it's available for sale. You can buy this app on our shop. Here PayPlus Telegram mini app only for $99. So you can check out, and you have to pay with Sol. We accept only Solana. So you can also watch other products here. So we will list other products soon. And also you can contact us on our Telegram if you want to buy directly.